you seriously have your fucking mullet? You
Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. So, what do you think of my new look? Pretty sweet, huh? So, my brother from another mother, Tim, he saw a picture that I took and posted on Facebook, and he saw this, and he told me that the next content that I make, that I better wear this. So, this is for you, brother. All right, so today we're gonna be we're going out to meet up with Aaron. We're gonna be going out to Mexico, and this is gonna be DRAGY session number 3. The first 2 DRAGY sessions, so session number 1, the car is basically all stock, wheels, tires. You know, we got the K&N filter. We have the resonator delete H pipe. We have a Lund Racing 93 tune. So that was session 1. Session 2, we got the new wheels and tires on the car. The same setup as I just mentioned, the Lund 93 K&N filter. You know, nothing special. So on this session, it's going to be different. If you followed my previous episode, Aaron and we installed a ported intake on the car, and so we're going to try and see what kind of a power difference that makes. But also, we're going to put some corn fuel in it and see how she runs with the E85. So right now we got about a 20-minute drive out to Aaron, so we'll pick it up from there. Alright, so back in the car, got a little bit of E here, got about 5 gallons worth. And also, I put a little bit in the tank. I still had a little less than half a tank, 93, so I didn't want to put too much in the car, but I did want to cycle a little bit through it. So we are about 5 to 10 minutes away from Aaron, so pick it up there. Alright, I'm almost to Aaron's house. I'm gonna see what he thinks about the new look here. See if he's prejudiced against gingers now, even though he is one himself. So hopefully we'll get his reaction. I'm pretty sure he's gonna have that what the hell look on his face when he sees it. Oh, bear with me, guys. Yep, there he is. Let's see what he says.
Do you seriously have your fucking mullet? Are you fucking serious? Oh,
what'd I tell you? I knew I'd get this reaction.
He's got a fucking mullet. I fucking love it. That's fucking badass. Alright, I'm double fisting here. I got James' camera and mine. I'm holding his and mine because he's obviously driving, and we got his mount here for his DRAGY. We're gonna probably do a couple hits with the DRAGY, then come back and pick up my car, and then we'll take the trip back across the border to Mexico and do some full, well, he's about as full E85 as possible because he did have a little bit of 93 in there, so he's probably not official E85, but he's close enough. His car. We
got some hot dog waters.
Yeah.
Some people say, call it.
But I mean, it's safe enough, so we should be good. So across the border we go. Whatever you said.
3rd gear.
There we go. Might not have enough room.
Whoa.
Yeah, not enough room.
No, the fuel ratio was like below 8.
Really, was it?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, so we were slightly mistaken with this AFR. So at wide open throttle, it's okay to be below 8 as long as he's within the parameters. You don't want to drop below, because with his fuel mixture of 93 and 85, don't want to drop below like 7.7 with the AFRs. He was like 7.9, 7.8, so he's okay with that. It's at idle, he is at like 9.9, 9.8. So we're gonna go back out there, try it again. Traffic is heavy, so we may not have the opportunity for his car and mine to line up, because my car, obviously, you know, it is louder. It's catless, long tube headers. It attracts a lot more attention. So we may not have the opportunity to do my car again, but at the very least, we're gonna try to get at least 1 or 2 good draggy hits with his car. So let me buckle up. Try it again.
All right, so one thing I never did since I put this ported intake on there, I never really gave you guys an update on it, what I think. I will say after the install, the car does seem a bit more peppy. Like it seems like it's got way more.
That's what his butt dyno says about that.
Yeah, that's what it feels like.
Yeah,
butt dyno says that. But I didn't really notice a drop in the miles per gallon, but I think it's for the money that I spent,
it's worth it.
It's worth it. I mean, it's not a drastic mod or upgrade, whichever you want to call it, but it's worth it in my opinion.
You control. Is that going?
Yeah. Ready?
Ready?
1, 2, 3, go.
Not quite there.
What? Oh, it didn't go all the way? Alright, well, today did not go as planned at all. Having the hot dog water in the car, what did we come up with, like an E50?
It was like E54 because he had a blend of...
Yeah, so I had a blend of 93 and some E85. I mean, the car ran fine. It ran fine.
They can't take you seriously with this fucking wig. Look at this shit.
I mean,
look at it.
Come on.
Fucking...
That's the way to go now.
You boys like Mexico?
Yeah, exactly. That's what I'm talking about. But also, there was a lot of traffic on the road that we used down to Mexico, so we weren't able to...
We hit 129.
Yeah, we hit 129.
We had to hit the freaking
we hit
brakes,
129.
So it is what it is.
So next time when we do this, we'll have full E.
So stay on E the rest of the week.
Yeah, we'll have full E next time when we do this, and hopefully traffic will die down.
And then we'll involve my car too, so we'll hopefully get his a decent hit with the draggy. Oh, which by the way, I got to pull it out of your car because it's still in your car.
Oh,
Get
yeah.
that out of your car, so I don't forget that. And then we can do some hits.
Probably do some 60 rolls.
60 rolls. So the
see,
only difference between your car and mine with E is the
headers,
and that's it. That's the only difference. So.
And your drag wheels.
Well, yeah, that's so I don't.
But other than that, I mean, our cars are practically identical.
Yeah,
so to speak. But anyways, hope y'all enjoyed today's content, and if you do me a big solid, please like and subscribe, and always drop a comment, and also
drop a like just for this right here.
Exactly.
For God's sakes, I mean that is sexy.
If y'all want me to make more content with this, likes, lots of likes. Okay, so we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.